Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, sleeping, walking around, drinking, driving, smoking. You can't be in and out of the camera or I will remove you. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Same thing. All right, this is the people versus Matias Jose Rodriguez. Ticket number SP 139-74771. Proper or an invalid license. Warren, please say your names for the record, starting with interpreter Cox.
Señor Rodríguez, llamaron a su caso, pidieron que yo diera mi nombre y dieron el número de su caso. Maria Cox, Your Honor, State of Michigan Qualified Spanish Interpreter.
You swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
You can say your name, whoever the attorney is.
Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant.
El abogado Griffin, que está aquí representando al acusado.
And sir, go ahead, Judge.
No, you go ahead.
Sir, state your full name for the record.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para las actas.
José Rodríguez.
Judge, it's my understanding that Mr. Rodriguez is waiving his right to a jury trial, continuing his not guilty plea, and setting this matter for a bench trial.
Su honoría, yo sé que este acusado está renunciando a sus derechos de tener un juicio con jurado, pero está pidiendo un juicio con el juez.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rodriguez.
Señor Rodríguez, por favor, levante la mano derecha.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
La verdad. Lo
The
juro.
truth. Only the truth.
You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene derecho a pedir un juicio con jurado?
Sí.
Yes.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
¿Alguien le ofreció algo de valor o lo amenazó o lo maltrató para que usted renunciara al derecho de un juicio con jurado?
No.
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial on April 24th at 9 o'clock.
Entonces yo voy a aceptar su declaración de no culpable y vamos a poner este caso para un juicio el 24 de abril. Your Honor, this is the interpreter. April 24th at what time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Ok. El 24 de abril tiene que regresar a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok.
Mr. Rostein, unless you have a question, sir.
Entonces ya terminamos a menos que usted tenga una pregunta.
No.
No questions.
Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Ms. Collins.
I still have one more, Your Honor, so I'll go to her and then it's Olga Ramirez and then I'll be there waiting.
Okay, thank you.
Hasta luego, señor Rodríguez. Buena suerte.
Igual.
This is the people versus Rodney Robinson, ticket number SP 1148451, count 1, driver's license expired. Good morning, to say your name, sir.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Rodney Robinson, did I see him? I don't see him anymore.
Okay. I don't see him either.
Okay, all right, this people versus William Ramsey, ticket number ST 1350491, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, to say your name, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
believe that-
Matthew P0132 House Counsel. Mr. Ramsey, state your name, please.
William Ramsey Jr.
Judge, this matter is set for trial at 9 a.m. It's now 10:20. The officer has not appeared. We ask the court to dismiss.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rams. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, good luck to you too. Thank you.
All right, let's keep versus Nicole Reed, ticket number SP 1389861, count one, no insurance, misdemeanor. The word is to say your names for the record.
Matthew Dupree, House Counsel. Ms. Reed, state your name, please.
Nicole Reed.
Judge, this matter is set for trial at 9 a.m. It's now 10:20. Officers failed to appear. We'd move to dismiss.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Reed, good luck to you, Mayor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the people versus Wesley Rice, ticket number SP 13969, driver register or title.
Judge, could you repeat that? I didn't get it. I heard the noise in his car. I got SP 13965, and then I lost it.
Ticket number this is the people versus Wesley Rice, ticket number SP 1396990. Count one, driver unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, improper plates. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Rice. State your full name for the record. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Wesley Rice, man.
Your Honor, the defendant presented me with proof of registration. Sir, you don't have to put it in the sir. Show me proof of registration, proof of also the insurance. And so I believe that we stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
Mr. Rice has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Jeremiah Ross. Ticket number. Yes. Hold on one second.
Not ready on Mr. Ross, Your Honor. I keep asking him to go to the breakout room.
Mr. Griffin, I've got it. I already talked
You
to
got
him.
it. Okay, good. Thanks.
Yep.
For Jeremiah Ross.
Jeremiah Ross is ready, Judge.
All right. We're here for ticket number SP 1220213. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1407864. Count one, driver license suspended. I'm sorry, driver revoked license. And then ticket number SX 3873709. Count one, cooperative license in possession. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Jeremiah Ross.
Oh, stop. Matthew Dupree, House Counsel. State your name, please, Mr. Ross.
Jeremiah Ross.
Judge, these matters were set for trial at 9 a.m. It's now 10:20. Officers failed to appear. We would move to dismiss.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, sir.
Thank you all.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
all set. Good luck.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you.
Oh, wait a minute, before you go. He does have some tickets that are warrant status. It's a no insurance, license suspended, and no operator's license. So he has 3 tickets. Did you want to set those for trial as well?
Yes, Your Honor, we would move that the court set aside the warrants and set the matters for trial.
All right, raise your right hand. Mr. Ross, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything about you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set, oh, let me call the cases. It makes sense. Ticket number SP 1220213, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, driver license suspended, and ticket number. Oh, this is, wait a minute. You know what? No, these are all, okay, never mind. Strike that. I had duplicates, so they're all being dismissed, so you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
And you said they all are dismissed?
Yeah, they're duplicates. I got like a million of the same tickets in this file, so. I just-
Okay.
Give me 2 seconds and maybe go to the file and then we should be all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, attorney, as well.
You're welcome, Mr. Ross. You can log off now.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Give me 1 moment, everyone, please. All right, this is the people versus Tyrone Riles, ticket number SP 1386406. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the records, starting with, you have office. You did have Officer Nelson, I think you did check in. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Matthew Dupree, P0132 House Counsel. Mr. Riles, state your name, please.
Mr. Tyrone Ryle,
Judge, if we did have Nelson, I missed it. And I don't know, is he still here?
Did Officer Nelson check in real quick? I thought I heard.
Yes, he checked in.
All right,
but,
you wanna recall it for him to
No,
come back?
no, Judge, no, Judge. Let me check my notes, please. Officer Nelson. No. Officer Nelson did not check in.
All right, so you're moving to dismiss this matter as the officer spelled here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Rollins. This matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, this is people versus Alexavier Reeves, ticket number SP 1413827, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle. 1, please say your record.
Matthew Dupree, House Counsel. State your name, please, sir.
Alexavier Reeves.
Judge, the city has graciously moved to dismiss this matter as the defendant provided valid documentation. We would join in the motion, stipulate probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Reeves has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people
Appreciate it,
versus-
Mr. Dupree.
This is people versus Brittany Dennis, ticket number SP 108109. Count 1, improper plates, count 2, driving register on how to vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 967650, count 1, allowing unlicensed driving, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Matthew Dupree, House Counsel for for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Ms. Dennis.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ma'am, state your name.
Brittany Dennis.
Was this a judge? I think that this was actually handled by brother counsel, but if it's no officer, I figured I could stand in.
It's not. It's an arraignment on the bench warrant. What were you gonna do, Ms. Dennis? Do you remember?
He said to plead guilty to the improper plates, and you guys were going to dismiss 3 tickets.
We'll wait for him to come back, just to make sure.
Okay. Thanks.
But this is the people versus Michael Ross, who has stepped away from the camera. Mr. Ross, all right, this is people versus Michael Ross, ticket number SX3757158, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, and count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names correct.
Good morning. My name is Michael Ross.
Matthew Dupree, House Counsel. Judge, this was also handled by Brother Counsel. We'd ask the court to pass the matter.
All right, we will recall this when Mr.
Let me
Griffin.
say something. Rodney Robinson. Did we do that one?
You're ready on anything else, Mr.
I don't think Rodney Robinson was I've actually done everything that I got sort of lucky. Almost all of mine were dismissals, no officers. So I think Herman's running a little bit behind me.
Well, Mr. Robinson left, so I don't know if he talked to an attorney or what. Mr. Robinson, did you speak with the attorney? You're on mute.
Yes, I speak with the attorney. My phone had died. I'm sorry, man.
Okay.
I had pleaded guilty, but as soon as I was in the courtroom, my phone had died.
Okay.
You're gonna plead guilty, is that what it was? You were gonna plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
It's probably to fail to display. You mind doing it? It's because she's charged with expired license.
Sure. Yeah, I can do that, Judge.
All right, this is the people versus Rodney Robinson, ticket number SP 1148451, count 1, driver's license expired. Good morning, please say your name.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132, House Counsel for Rodney Robinson. Mr. Robinson, state your name, please.
Rodney Robinson.
Judge, I did just confirm with Brother Counsel that there was an offer tendered in this matter, which would be that if the defendant pled guilty to a single count of failing to display a valid license, well, I guess they'd just be reducing it to that. We'd ask the court to adopt that resolution.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to December 22nd, 2020 at 5:04 p.m. On that day and time, were you out near Gratiot and Glenwood in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2018 Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was expired?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Mr. Dupree?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Factual basis will amend the count to fail to display will proceed to sentencing. Mr. Robinson, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by May 11th?
Yes, I will.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You are all set. Good luck to you, sir.
I appreciate it.
All right, you ready on Ms. Dennis, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, Judge.
All right, this is the people we call them people versus Brittany Dennis. Ticket number SP 1081095, count 1. The proper plates, count 2, driver register and title vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 967650, count 1, allowing a licensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name for the record.
Brittany Dennis.
Judge, there's a recommendation. I spoke with the prosecutor. My client is pleading to 2 counts of improper plates. The balance is dismissed. So I guess there's already 1 charge of improper plates and then one of the no insurance. Yes.
All right, I'm sorry, Corporal Kropic, you can leave. Demetrius did not check in. I've just watched you and ignored you, but you can go. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you. Raise your right hand, Ms. Dennis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Griffin, in private about the case, ain't it right?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 2nd, 2020 at 11:21 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Losser and Glencoe Street in the city of Detroit? May 2nd, 2020 at 11:21 a.m. Were you at Losser and Glencoe in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Lincoln vehicle? Keep your voice up, please.
Well, it was actually,
These are just yes or no questions, ma'am.
yes,
You do not have insurance on that vehicle.
yes,
And then you're satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Griffin?
Satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor. And I believe the balance, the 3 tickets would be dismissed.
Right, so the court is gonna amend that to improper place. I'm gonna direct your attention to the same date and time and location. Did the vehicle, being the 2006 Lincoln vehicle, did that vehicle have improper plates on it?
Lincoln, yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Griffin?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and so the court will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a fine of $250. I'll waive the fine for one of the improper plates. So one of the fines will be waived. We'll have one fine of $250. Can you have that paid by May 11th?
May 11th, yes,
Any questions, ma'am?
no,
You are all set. Good luck to you.
thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready on Michael Ross?
Your Honor, I think that might be Mr. Dupree's case.
He tried to do it with him. He said he didn't speak to him.
He didn't, okay, I just need to speak to him in the breakout room there. Your Honor, do you have a recommendation for Mr. Ross?
L to display.
Okay,
Or
yeah, I'll just,
or improper plates. Either
okay.
way.
You
Okay,
can talk about here if you want to, 'cause
I